I wanted to use biotin, but the most important thing that helped me to grow my hair back to where it was before is welcome back to my channel. I am filming today with AirPods on because my mic isn't working, and I want to see if these AirPods that have mics as well, if they can help me to film, because they do a good job when it comes to voiceovers. And in this video, I am going to be talking about my switch from fermented rice water to fermented black tea, basically kombucha. Now, the reason why I switched from rice water to black tea is for one reason and one reason, maybe two. But the primary reason is because rice water stinks and the smell is getting more and more off-putting to me. It is too funky for my liking. I am tired of dealing with the smell. So I decided to switch to kombucha. Now, benefits of using fermented black tea instead of rice water, it helps with color vibrancy of the hair. It helps with premature graying. Unlike rice water, maybe rice water does help because I have seen some claims where they say that the old women of China still have like really, really black hair because they use rice water to rinse their hair. Don't know too much about that, but the claims of the black tea and color vibrancy for me is true. Something else that I have noticed that black tea and green tea does that rice water doesn't do as much is helping with shedding. I have been using my black tea for about a month now, getting to 2 months, and this thing has reduced my shedding by 50%, so much that I am never going to let this go. I will only let this go if I see something better, I swear. My shedding has reduced in such a way that makes me happy every single time I take down my hair. Something else that makes black tea to have an edge over rice water is the fact that black tea is more acidic. And it being acidic, especially when it's fermented, it being acidic helps with frizz, helps to condition your hair, helps to make your hair smoother, gives it more shine, and again, color vibrancy. Now, rice water has an edge over black tea in the aspect of being rich in amino acids and inositol. So this is going to help to strengthen the hair shaft itself. But the black tea, what it does is that it helps with the follicles. So that is why I switched from fermented black tea to rice water. I am also going to give like side-by-side nutritional benefits of both and how they help with hair growth. I also got this amazing product online. It's called Frozen Collagen. I got like a 4 month supply of the supplement. I remember telling you guys in the beginning or when I was planning on revamping. No. It was at the beginning of the hair growth challenge that I wanted to revisit Biotin to know if it actually works or if it doesn't work now that I am an expert and proficient in every aspect of my hair. But I am way too scared to go back to Biotin because I have managed to get my really, really bad acne under control somewhat, and I do not want to set myself back by using biotin. So I went back to collagen. And I say went back to collagen because I have used a collagen supplement in the past. This collagen supplement was marketed to help with skin tone, pigmentation, like skin related things. But I was like, since it's collagen, it's supposed to help with hair and nails. Took that particular collagen supplement for like 5 months. It didn't do for my hair or my nails. But this particular one, it claims to nourish hair and nails, so I'm going to see what it do. Once I notice any changes in my nails, I know for sure it's helping or it's doing the best it can for my hair. The way I make this fermented black tea is that I boil about 2.5 cups of water. I throw in my 2 tea bags of black tea or green tea. Sometimes I just do both. Let it steep until the water cools. Once the water is cool, I pour it into this bottle. I add like a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar just to help increase its acidity. And I add some lemon essential oil to this. I added like 2 pipettes of lemon essential oil, and it made it to smell like lemon fresh dish soap. Love the smell, very, very fresh. And I am planning on using this lemon essential oil in my rice water to see if it can help change the funky smell, or at least reduce, no, not reduce, I'm not taking any reduction. I want it gone. Now, I let it ferment for like 3-4 days before I use it. And how I use it is that I wash my hair on my braids first, wash it thoroughly, again, make sure my scalp is squeaky clean. Then I go in, pour this over my hair, squeeze it in, massage it into my scalp for about 5 minutes. Then I go in with my deep conditioner on my hair, let the deep conditioner and this sit for about 30 minutes, then rinse it out, moisturize, and I'm good to go. That's all I do on every single wash day. Do I advise you use this? I say yeah, but do a back patch test first, because I don't want anyone coming after me saying that I influence them into using something very harmful for their hair or their well-being. So do a patch test first to make sure that it works for you. It works for me, and at the same time, be careful when using this in case maybe you wash your hair more often than me, because this can be drying if you overuse it. So do a patch test, and also do not overdo it. That's all I can say. I also want to announce that my hair has finally grown back down to my hip. I feel like everything I am doing now definitely contributed to me gaining back my length so quick. It's been almost 4 months since my setback, and I'm happy that the 8 months to 1 year's worth of growth has come back. So hopefully by the end of the year, 1st of January 2026, I would have achieved my goal of getting tailbone length hair. I can definitely say that the most important thing that actually helped me outside all these products that I went crazy and bought, the most important thing that helped me to grow my hair back to where it was before is like removing stress from the equation. At this point, I said, like, yeah, I suffered a setback, heartbreaking, and all that, but let's just have fun with it. That's why I am switching from rice water to fermented black tea. Very soon, I'm going to be trying this other one that I saw this white guy do. The guy was suffering from like severe balding at a very early age. He was talking about using rosemary and rice water. I plan on doing that as well. He also talked about saw palmetto, pumpkin seed, and some other things. I have the other things. The only thing I don't have is the saw palmetto. I got black cumin seed. I have pumpkin seed, rosemary, peppermint. So I am looking into trying the rosemary and rice water maybe at the 5 or 6 month mark as well. Basically, have fun with the journey. Don't be too serious don't stress too much about it, because if you stress, it might set you back. It's definitely going to be disadvantageous to you. So just have fun with the journey. Hair is hair is hair. If you lose it, hopefully you don't have any medical condition, it's going to grow back. I actually got these supplements for my hair growth challenge. This is frozen collagen, and this is like 2 months worth. I'm supposed to take it twice a day, or at least 2 capsules a day. It comes in this 60 capsule pack, and I plan on taking this to see if this is going to help my hair grow, to help with my hair growth, that is increase the growth rate of my hair. I wanted to use biotin, but my skin has been doing so well, and I do not want to wreck the progress with biotin, because that's not going to help me mentally, and that is going to bring stress that might actually hinder my hair growth progress. So I decided to get collagen, since our hair benefits from collagen basically. So that's why I got this. It's also good for skin and nails. Yeah. My nails have been doing fantastic. I also got this to help with my nail growth. So that's why I got this. That's it for this video. Tell me what you think of my new hair growth concoction, hair growth cocktail, hair growth potion. If you're interested in seeing more content from me, consider subscribing. If you liked, like. If you care, share. Or if you share, care. And I'll see you in my next video. Choose.